So I've been wanting to get myself a new fermenter for a bit now, and been using a big mouth bubbler, but decided to upgrade to stainless steel, so I got myself an SS Brewtech Brew Bucket. Got the Brewmaster Edition. So what the Brewmaster Edition gets you is a included thermo well, and then an LCD digital thermometer to go into that thermo well. And then I also got the Essentials kit, which basically gets you an elbow that goes under the top cover, and then a blow-off tube that goes along with that. There's also a 3/8 inch tubing to go from the spigot in the bottom. So let's just get this out of the box here. So as you can see here on the front, we got the pre-drilled hole for the thermo well. Got our tubing here. It's that 1/2 inch tubing and the 3/8 inch tubing. And then we got the rest of the accessories in this piece of cardboard underneath the fermenter here. So here we've got our spigot and the racking cane tube, and then our digital thermometer, and then right above that is the right angle for the blow-off tube. So I'm just going to go right ahead and install this thermo well. So I just insert it through the wall in its hole, and then attach the nut on the outside. I'm going to hand tighten that for now, and going to clean everything before we're ready to use it. So here's a look on the inside here. See, we got our volume markings down the side there, in both liters and gallons. That looks pretty nice. There's our thermo well right there, and we can see down in the bottom, got where the racking arm will come up. So on the cover, we've got a pre-drilled hole for an airlock. Now, because I went with the Essentials kit, I got this handy dandy right angle bulkhead fitting that's going to go there and give me a 1/2 inch tubing for a blow off. But there's also a rubber stopper to use a regular airlock. Then we've got the digital thermometer. It did include batteries, which was nice. I'm just going to go ahead and fit this thermometer into the thermo well on the side just to see how that looks. So it pretty much just slides in the thermal well. Then we've got a nice, pretty sleek look right there. So here it is, all set up with the thermal well and the front spigot with the pickup tubes inserted on the inside. So overall, really sleek, and can't wait to try this out on my next brew. I'll definitely make a video of that, show you how it goes.